Get him, Ma. Get him.
I'm getting him. It loves that flower. I'm afraid that I don't think it'll bite. Would it bite? Where'd it go? It looks like a tiny hummingbird. That is so cool. It loves some flowers, Stinky.
Come on, you're a little close there, aren't you? He's gonna get you, Ma.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
He's right there, Ma. He can get you. He can get you, Ma.
Look at it. How cute that. I don't like the other flowers. He just wants this one.
Because he can stick his beak into these ones.
Well, he can with the other ones too.
No, see, look, Ma. The pollen on those ones is up on those little beads.
No,
Or the nectar.
nectar. Look, it keeps going back to the same flower. Go get Alexa. Get Alexa. Get Alexa. Oh my God. This is just adorable. We should have more of these. Look.
What was that sound you made, Ma?
It looks. You're bothering me, girl. I'm eating your flower. I have never seen that like this. This is so cool. A hummingbird moth. This is gonna be my new pet. Look at it sticking its beak into that flower. Oh. It's really ah! Get Alexa. Where'd it go? It gone? It doesn't like this flower much. Look at that. Look how beautiful that flower. He can eat.
I'm going back in. This thing's freaking me out.
Come on, Tinky.
I don't like that thing.
Come back here. My new bloomer lily. The most beautiful flowers there is, I think. Look at that. Look how pretty that is.